Hey, I'm Wyatt. Today we'll be installing our 14-bolt disc brake conversion kit. The first step is you need to remove the hub from the vehicle. You're going to have to remove the factory studs from the hub, and you can reuse the studs as long as they drop freely into the rotor. They shouldn't be a press fit in the rotor, just into the back side of the hub. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to flip your hub over. You're going to place the rotor on the hub. You're going to line your holes up, and then you're just going to drop your studs in there, and then you're going to have to press them in either with a hammer and a punch or a shop press and press them in. Make sure the studs are seated all the way. I'm going to finish installing the rest out in the shop. All right, so we just pressed the rotor onto the hub using the studs. So now we're going to assemble everything onto the spindle. So first thing I'm going to do is throw the brake bracket on there with the bent side facing out. Throw your mounting hardware in. I'm going to snug all our bolts down. Now we can go ahead and throw the hub and rotor assembly on. Make sure it seats all the way on the bearing journal, and then you can throw the spindle nut on and snug that down. So you want to make sure your hub and rotor assembly is seated fully on the spindle, so seated all the way on the bearing journals. It should be a nice positive stop when you push it on there. Then you'll tighten your spindle nut down and set your preload accordingly. And now we're ready for the caliper. So we'll throw our caliper on here. Grab your caliper bolts. Thread them both in by hand, and then you can go ahead and snug them down with your socket. Now that the caliper's on there, we are ready for the brake line. So we'll grab our brake line, the banjo bolt, and both of our copper washers. Put one copper washer on the banjo bolt, through the brake line of the other copper washer, thread it into the caliper. Tighten it down. Now you're ready to bleed your brakes, and you're all done.
Well, thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to support us, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications on every new Rough Stuff video. Like this video, and if you got a question, please hit us up in the comments down below. If you'd like to see another awesome Rough Stuff video, check out this one.